Well, hello again, and tonight we are going to be opening 2 blaster boxes of Topps 22 Update Series. Each box has 7 packs, plus, as it says, 1 exclusive commemorative relic card. Let's get opening. Oops, banged into the camera again. Still getting used to that, but hey, we get to shoot horizontal now. And I found a new local card store that opened up not too far from my house. Very excited about it. Got picked these up there. So let's see how my new store luck goes. They had these on sale for $21.99 a piece. Why don't I go ahead and open both boxes now? Good bunch of guys that were there. Half the store is sports. Half the store was Pokemon. But they had some nice display cases with some good vintage baseball cards there. I actually picked up a Ralph Kiner Bowman card as well while I was there. Anyway, all right, let's get ripping. Okay. Ooh, these are all spun around. We got our chrome card here of Scott. We've got a Arenado, Black Gold, and Jason Duran. Okay. Ah, well, we might as well show that one off right at the beginning. We got a Julio Stars of MLB. That's a nice looking card there. We'll put him to the side. What's that? Dancing in Detroit. And I'm happy to say that actually last night I placed an order for the 2023 Series 1. I bought a case. It's my first time ever buying a case. Oh, there's a Julio. Nice. We'll put that one to the side. So once those come in, I think it said it'll be here February 16th. Once we get that in, we'll probably open, I'm thinking we'll do like 2 boxes each video going through there. Here's our thick pack with our relic in it. But yeah, I'm really excited. Again, the first time ever getting a case of anything. So it should be interesting. So we're definitely slowing down here on the last of the 22s for me. We'll see what's left. We still have a good 2 weeks to fill before that comes in. Kyle Schwarber. Oh, and O'Neal Cruz. Nice. So, anyone have any ideas what I should open up next? Should I keep doing some of these updates until the 23s come in? I mean, I know a few videos ago we did Bowman Chrome. Okay. Sometimes it really is just me walking into the store and seeing what they got and just getting the spur of the moment. Oh, that's another Cruz. The Black Gold. Nice. Those are nice looking cards. And there's a Scherzer. So, like this. Happened to just drive by and saw the place today. Never know what we're going to do next. There's the Meggy 3000 hit card. That's nice. MJ Melendez with the blue. That's nice. Okay. Hey, look at that. We got a Jeter. with the 97, or excuse me, 87, look on the card. Very cool. And a C.J. Abrams. See, what the thing that bothers me with some of these cards or these photos, look at all the empty seats. They couldn't have gotten a better photo. I don't know, getting a little bit of crowd actually behind them. Show some people at the game. There's another one. Granted, that card was Reds, Chris Bryant, and a Suzuki. And they were out of there. That's the end of box one, so we're under our second box now. But that was, they weren't exactly doing too well last season, so I think the attendance there kind of, showed that. I know the several games that I went to last year with the Reds. There's a Julio Rodriguez. Look at that, our third one in the 87 look. Nice. Haven't pulled that one yet. Looks like I'm kind of... It'd be nice. All I need now is just an autograph. I'm kind of going through all the different versions. Very cool. But yeah, the games I went to last year with the Reds. Oh, look at that, another Julio. Yeah, unfortunately, definitely in the second half of the season, it was kind of empty. I know the last game we went to this past season was against the Cardinals. I wanted to be able to see Albert Pujols one more time. There we go. Got one of the gold. I mean, numbered out of 2022. Not exactly, but we'll still put it to the side. It's numbered. Not exactly that limited. But like even that game against Julios wasn't, it was pretty empty, unfortunately. Okay. There we go. We got our, gonna have our relic in this one. There we go. Okay, so there was one more version. We've got a Rodriguez helmet card. All right, so now I am really only going to be missing the the autograph in there. Jonathan India. I really think we got every version of him that could be in this set. And to be honest with you, I don't even know if there's an autographed one in this set. There may not be, but I'll check that later. I could do some Suzuki. I didn't do any research ahead of time to see, honestly, what the hits were. Or there's another Rodriguez. These are two good boxes. I think I'm getting some good luck with the at the new hobby store or new card store. Gonna be the last card with McCutcheon in a Brewers uniform. Okay, down to our last two packs here. Oh, one of my dogs just walked in. Let's see if she could hold off on the barking. Like I said, once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I know that's not going to be tomorrow, but once we get to 1,000, we're going to have a special guest. I'm going to have both puppies on screen, so you guys can know who exactly that was barking in the background in a bunch of these videos. You put a snout to that bark. There we go. That's nice looking. Got a generation now. And we're ending it with the CJ Abrams, excuse me. All right, so let's look at the ones I pulled to the side here. We ended up with quite a Julio Rodriguez grouping here. So there's one rookie card, one helmet card, a Stars of MLB. We got the 87 Luck. That's Suzuki. That's my Jeter. AJ Melendez, Cruz. There's another Cruz. Okay, then we got this Julio. So we actually ended up with the both, and then we got another Stars of MLB. So in 2 blaster boxes, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Julio Rodriguez cards. And I'm going to think that this is probably all the different variations. Not bad. All right, well, thanks for joining us, and we will see you soon.